My name is Hithashree. I completed my BE in Embedded College of Engineering. I'm a 2026 pass out with a 8.5 CGPA. I'm currently training at Emertxe Institute of Technologies. I got selected at Insemi Technologies and I have completed 10 projects in Emertxe. When I was in 5th semester, where I got interest in hardware. So after that, I studied about microcontrollers in my series semester. Then I was searching on Google. I got to know about Emertxe, so I came here. When it comes to college, that is like a one-way communication. Lectures were coming and they were saying something and they were going. We were searching PDF to end up our semester exams like that. But when it comes to Emertxe, it's not like that. Like there was a friendly communication between the mentors and students. Even if I got any doubts, I was clearing at that time only. So it's very different from college to Emertxe. Project boost our knowledge in that particular concept. Like if I do many projects in C, I will get to know more about C. So it's very much important for a student to do more projects for entering the core jobs. I completed 10 projects in Emertxe. So when I attended the placement, so they asked about the projects among them. So I explained it clearly because I done it from scratch. So I'm confident enough to explain that project. When I was doing a concept, if I get stuck anywhere, I was running to the mentors and I was asking the doubts. And also beyond that, like if the project was given, I was going deep, why it's working, how was it working. So it make me learn more about that particular project. It's beyond the project I learned when I was doing. This is my first interview. Only I cracked this. It was quite good. They asked C programming questions and also my academic projects. And also they asked me general questions. So microcontrollers concept helped me a lot during this interview process. Please cope up with the mentors, what they guide, do all the homeworks they have given, and also work hard on more lead code questions. And please don't copy any projects or assignments from your friends. Do it by yourself. The overall experience in Emertxe is very good, and all the mentors and the team was very supportive. And I'm here today because of the Emertxe. Thank you so much.